Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be unboxing yet another pair of active noise cancelling wireless Bluetooth headphones, and this time this review unit was sent to me by the company called OneOdio. So thanks to OneOdio for sending me a review sample. Now looking at the box, your typical affair. The only important thing is on the top. You can get 24 months extended warranty if you go to their website, and there's also a big discount on these headphones till the 31st of July. I will leave the links down below along with the discount codes. Should you wish to purchase these handsets, by all means have a look. I'm sure you should be able to get a good decent, I think around 30% discount on every pair, but they'll only be till the end of this month, so please hurry up should you wish to buy these top end active noise cancelling wireless Bluetooth headphones. Okay, so looking at the box, this is their trademark, the power of music. And looking at the back, the core specs you can see at the back of the box. It's got a decent size 750 milliamp battery, along with some decent charging timings, depending on how you use these headphones, with or without Bluetooth, or with or without active noise cancellation. So from 25 to 80 hours all the way. It's a big claim. Obviously I'll be testing it and I will let you know in a few days time. Please do ask me in the comment section and we'll take it from there. Good decent range of 10 meters or 33 feet, and along with almost 250 grams of weight, so they seem quite heavy, meaning we should get some decent sounds from them. Looking at this section on the indicator light, I will skip that. You can pause the video and have a look. I'll be showing you this anyway once I unbox the headphones. So what's in the box? You got 1x OneOdio A10 headphones, of course, one carrying case, airplane adapter, which is very good for international travelers, Type-C USB to 3.5mm audio cable, which is fantastic. It's a growing trend these days. You can also use the Type-C to charge your headphones, and at the same time use Type-C to access audio. One brand I've lately used, Empower, as you can see, they are quite known as well, but unfortunately they don't give you the Type-C USB, they give you the micro USB. As you can see here, a lot of people have now switched and moved on to Type-C Android phones. So the last thing you want is keep changing your cables for different pair of headphones. So which is quite nice to see that they got the Type-C USB for both the purposes, along with the one user guide and everything else at the bottom. So without further ado, let's open the box up and see what do we find inside. So opening the box up, there we go. So first and foremost, you see this nice carry case, and this is more or less a growing trend these days, and it's good to see because I remember a few years ago only Bose used to do such carry cases, but it's good to see that we're now getting these nice quality cases at less than half the price, which is very encouraging, like I said. So let's open the carry case up and see what do we find inside. Very smooth carry case, by the way, very nice and smooth flush finish. I quite like it. Again, the way they are packed is again quite nice. So let's remove more packaging from the actual headphones themselves, and once again I like this bit where manufacturers use to mark their ear cups like that, nice and bold. So even if your eyesight is weak, you still should not be able to miss any of that. As you can see, left and right all very nice. And I tell you what, this nice chrome finish, I quite like this. Not too bad. Again, bringing the M-Powers, which are apparently more well known. They also got a nice plastic flush finish, but this one seems a bit more posh, so quite like it. Nice one. OneOdio, not too bad at all. I'm quite impressed. First impressions, really nice. As usual, you can see you can turn them around fully, and nice cushion, very soft quality cushion, leather as well, which is quite fantastic, quite nice. And of course you can extend them as well if you have a slightly bigger head size. There we go. So quite nice and quite flexible and quite easy as well. So looking at this side, obviously this is the active noise cancellation button. So once you turn this on, the light will turn green, meaning your active noise cancellation is now active or switched on. Okay, so on this side, this is where you should have your power button. So if you press this button, I'm sure this will then turn on. There we go. As you could hear, power on the background, and blue and red flash means it is actually trying to pair with the device. And the other volume buttons, again fantastic, very nice. And again, something very encouraging, like I said, a Type-C USB to use with your phone and to charge them up as well. Again, a very good touch by OneOdio. Very impressive so far. I like this logo as well, very nicely flushed into it. I can see these ring patterns around, quite flushed, nice metallic finish. I quite like it, to be honest. Not too bad. First time, I've never used OneOdio before, very first time, so thank you to OneOdio for sending me the review sample. Obviously I'll be using it and testing it in the next few days to see how good the sound is. Please talk to me in the comment section or follow me on social media, Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. You can obviously connect with me there, and I can tell you in a few days time, or maybe in a few hours time once I unbox them, how good they really are. So far the first impressions are quite nice. Okay, now let's put them aside and see what else do we get in the case. The cables, so this is the traveling adapter, which is quite nice. It doesn't charge, of course, but it has got quite a few ports to give you that versatility that you would require if you are on the airplane. Okay, so this is the cable here, obviously the charging cable, and the cable which can also connect along with your phone using the Type-C. Once again, fantastic touch. And this is the 3.5mm jack, also comes with Type-C again, which is very, very fantastic. So nice touch there as well. What else do we get? We get lots of paperwork. You can register on their website if you want, obviously, the 2-year warranty, and along with the rest of the paperwork, and a very quick user manual, which is again quite a nice touch. Okay, so I got my smartphone, the Sony Xperia 5. So let's switch this on, and we're gonna pair this phone with these new OneOdio headphones. So first of all, let's get into settings, and from there we go to our Bluetooth settings. As you can see, I have the Ampower H5 already connected to it. So let's get into a pair new device, and here we should see something like OneOdio. There we go, guys. Here you can see OneOdio A10 very clear. So if you tap on this, there we go, it's asking you to pair, so you click on pair. Obviously I wanted to access my contact and call history, so pair, there we go. There you go. As you could hear the back end, they are now connected. So if I was to play any music now, you should be able to hear from the headphones. There you go, you can hear them very clearly. They're quite loud, even though despite the camera being far away, I'm being quite far away as well. You can still hear them very nice and loud. They look quite nice. Like I said, guys, it will take me a while before I get to tell you the sound quality. So once the video is up on my channel, please do ask me in the comment section, and I should be able to tell you the quality in the next day or so, or could be earlier depending on how long do I listen to them for. Obviously battery life cannot be tested this quick, but I can tell you about the quality, overall sound, and how are the highs and the lows. But from the looks of it so far, what I can see, it looks quite nice. Let me just pause the music. There we go. So they look quite nice build quality, solid build quality, and overall first impression so far, not too bad of OneOdio. So guys, also please do find the links, like I said to you earlier in the video, under my description. At the moment they're going for 30% discount from OneOdio. I'll leave the links to their website and also Amazon UK. The discount will be for a limited time, so please do hurry up. It'll be ending by the 31st of July if you want to get the 30% discount on these headphones, and if you like them, please do purchase them. Guys, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Any questions about the headphones or anything else, please ask me in the comment section. And like always, please subscribe as it helps, and I shall see you in the next video.